To install your new Kühl decorative front panels, first unplug your unit. To change the colored front panel on your Kühl air conditioner, remove the top cover using the screwdriver provided in your Kühl color kit. The top cover is held in place by 4 tab locks. Release the cover by inserting the screwdriver gently between the cover and the unit and twist. Repeat this process at all 4 tab lock locations. Be careful not to apply pressure to the vents. Slide the top cover forward to remove it from the unit. To install your new top cover, align the interlock ribs on the bottom of the new top cover with the channels on the top of the unit. Slide the top cover into place until the locking tabs become engaged. To install the new lower panel, first remove the decorative front door by opening the door completely. Hinge pins are located at each side of the door to hold it in place. Using the same screwdriver, gently pry the hinge pin to cause it to rotate upward. Once the hinge pin is free of the door, it may be removed. Repeat this on the second hinge pin. Once the existing decorative front door has been removed, position the new decorative front and insert a hinge pin. Rotate and lock it into place. Repeat this with the other hinge pin. Your new decorative front cover is now installed.